Question 20. This is a detail question, and we can recognize that because it starts out by saying according to the passage, and then it asks what is most relevant. So in the passage, something is flagged as the most relevant feature of outgoing messages left on telephone answering machines. So we just have to track down where they say it explicitly. So fortunately, telephone answering machine messages are only discussed once in the passage in the first half of the last paragraph, so that's the only place we're going to need to look. So it says, when B creates a link to A's document, this is akin to B giving out A's telephone number, thereby allowing third parties to hear outgoing messages for themselves. Anyone who calls can listen to the message. That is its purpose. So we're looking for an answer choice that says one of those things or some combination of those things. Let's go to the answer choices. Answer choice A, such messages are carried by an electronic medium of communication. While it is true, answering machine messages are carried by electronic media, this isn't mentioned in the passage, so it's not our answer. B, such messages are not legally protected against unauthorized distribution. This too is never said in the passage about answering machine messages. C, transmission of such messages is virtually instantaneous. This is something the passage says about the web, not about answering machine messages. D, people do not usually care whether or not others might record such messages. I mean, this is true. Who really cares about answering machine messages anymore? We all just send text, but the passage doesn't talk about it, so it can't be our answer. That means that E is the last man standing. Such messages have purposefully been made available to anyone who calls that telephone number. That's just anyone who calls can listen to the message. That is its purpose. That's our answer. A detailed question's answer will always be something that is stated explicitly in the passage.